We offer a few different services for repairing cracks in a foundation. Usually the reason cracks have formed in a foundation is because of settlement around a home or underneath a home can cause the cracks. Whenever you see a diagonal crack or a horizontal crack shooting across your wall, that's usually a sign of inward movement. When you start seeing vertical cracks running straight up and down, that's usually a sign of settling. Or if you go downstairs in your basement floor, if there's a lip and you're tripping over that lip, there's some settling in the basement floor or the walls itself, causes the cracks in the foundation. In order to repair those, we offer a couple things. The vertical wall restraints. Whenever that crack is going across the wall or diagonal, you put vertical I-beams. That stops the inward movement. If you see that vertical crack, like I said, usually that's a sign of settlement. You go in underneath the foundation and you shoot pier pipe. It's a pressurized system where you drive steel pipe down to bedrock. You get underneath. Once pipe hits the bedrock, you go in under the house and you shore that house up and you tie it down. And then usually it's a matter of once the structural part of the home has been cared for, then the cracks is more of a cosmetic. You come in and you either epoxy patch these cracks or you epoxy inject, depending if there's water leaking through the cracks itself. Even a drain tile system. If there isn't any settling, and there's cracks and water's coming through the cracks, we can attack it with an interior drain tile system that ties into a sump pump, usually in one of the corners. That way that water can come down those cracks into our system and shoots into the sump pump. Sump pump discharges all the water out. We offer an FRP sheeting. It's a wall wrap that goes, gives your basement a semi-finished look for a very reasonable cost, and you wrap your walls with what's called FRP white sheeting across all walls. Water comes in, runs behind that, and into the system. There's a lot of different ways to approach, the getting cracks sealed or at least stopping the cracks from forming any worse than what they already are. Absolutely, a professional needs to address this. With being in the business as long as we have, I've seen customers or clients order a kit off of Amazon or go to Home Depot and get this, and then they attempt it and then they call us, So they've already put money into a project that they really shouldn't be attempting, because foundation repair is a rare trade. It's not just something you can Google to a project. It's not like going to Home Depot and getting a paint and brush and painting walls. There's a lot that goes into it, and I would highly recommend at least having a professional or someone like us that gives a free evaluation chance to at least tell you what you can use.